Hello, this is Kaz from i-SmartSignaller.
This video is about setting up multiple terminals either on your VPS or your computer. As you can see here, I'm going to backtrack a little. You'll probably be in your downloads where you have downloaded the brokers setup files, and I've got a couple of brokers or 3 brokers. I'm going to use Black Bull as an example here. So once you double click on this and go through the process of extracting and setting up the terminal, you would have one terminal in your system, and you could find this in your PC. Go to your programs file 86 folder and you'll find it sitting there. So that's the terminal that's been set up, and I've done some neaty things here which I'm going to show you later. What we're going to do is we've got one terminal and one icon setting in the desktop. I'm going to make multiple copies of it. Right, all you need to do is copy, go paste the number of terminals, any number that you want depending on the size of your VPS, the capacity of your computer or VPS. Yeah, in this case I'm going to do 5. Alright, that's good enough. And what we're going to do is go rename them. Oh man. Okay, I'm not going to do all the terminals. We're just going to... I'm stuck in my keyboard. Right, that's 1. And we'll rename this to 2. I'll do the rest later when I'm free. Okay, so we got 2 terminals. This one is there and the other 2 now. Now, double click on this. Go to the terminal. We're going to send this as a shortcut to the desktop, yeah? Here. We got that here. Now, rename this. This will be good for identity's sake. Oh no, it's 1. Gee. Right. Okay, and what we're going to do is change the icon. Now you could use any icon that you please, but in this case I'm just going to regimentally follow what we should be doing. So this is 1. I'm going to go to this folder, take the terminal icon, slap it on there, apply, and you got it. Alright. Similarly, you're going to do the same for terminal 2. It's a very repetitive process. Once you get a hang of it, it's easy. Right. That's a previous folder. Yeah. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3 terminals. What we're going to do is open them, activate those terminals. Now I'll start the main one which I did earlier. So I've got the terminal here. What I need to do, what you need to do is just, for convenience sake, pin it to your taskbar. Right, now let's bring this down, open the next terminal. This is new, so it's going to take a little time loading. It's usually the case. Now look at this. I just want to point out that the VPS provider that we are using, based in the US, based off the US, we're getting 25.926 milliseconds connection to Black Bull servers, which is pretty good, very good. Yeah. So it's something you might want to consider. Now I'm not going to sign in or start up any demo account in this terminal. Just want to show you that that is a terminal. It's not activated. So that's the icon for it. BBM1. I'm going to pin that to the taskbar. Let's minimize this. Do the same for BBM2. It's just the first time loading. MetaTrader extracts all kinds of files in the terminal, sets up the terminal for you. Right, we got it. So let's do away with this and go to this pin to taskbar. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close these terminals. As you can see, the icon remains in the taskbar. Anytime you want, you could just click on it and get your terminal started. Now that's only in this video, but in the subsequent videos what we're going to show you is let me just get this. You see, it's much quicker now because it's already loaded and you got a terminal identity. Right. Okay, so that's about this video. Yeah. Well, I hope you got something out of the video. We'll see you in the next. Subscribe and we'll keep you informed. Bye for now.